Namaste students, welcome to Government Portfolio. Today we will discuss about GATE examination. So here is introduction of GATE examination. GATE is an online international level examination conducted for Master of Engineering ME, Master of in Technology MTech and direct PhD admission to Indian Institute of Technology. IITs, National Institutes of Technology (NITs), and Indian Institutes of Information Technology (IITs), and other universities institute across India. The exam is jointly conducted by IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, and Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IISc Bangalore, on a rotational basis of behalf of National Coordination Board (NCB GATE), Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, MHRD, Government of India. So here is highlights of GATE 2021. Exam name, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Exam frequency, once a year. Exam mode, online. Exam duration, 3 hours. Test takers, approx 10 lakhs. Accepting challenge, 1453 colleges. Official website is this. Essential qualification. So here is BTech, B Pharma, B Architecture, BSc Research, Pharma, and Diploma after 10 plus 2, MBBS, MSc, MA, and MCA, Integrated ME, MTech post BSc, and Integrated MTech dual degree after Diploma, BSc, BA, and BCom. Next is GATE 2020 exam pattern highlights. Particulars. Examination mode N is computer based test CBT. Duration is 3 hours. Number of subject papers is 27. Sections, general aptitude and candidate selected subject. Test types of questions, multiple choice question, multiple select question, and high. What are the types of questions? Multiple choice question, multiple select questions, and numerical answer type question. Question test these subtitles abilities is recall, comprehension, application, analysis, and synthesis. Number of questions 10. General aptitude plus 55 subject type question is equal to total 65 questions. Distribution of marks in all papers except papers is ARs, CYEY, GGMA, PH, XH, and XL. General aptitude 15 marks, engineering mathematics is 13 marks, subject type question is 72 marks, total is 100 marks questions. Next, marking scheme is all of the question will be 1 or 2 marks. Next is biotechnology syllabus is engineering mathematics, general biotechnology, recombinant DNA technology, plant and animal biotechnology, bioprocess engineering and process technology. XEG, food technology syllabus, food chemistry and nutrition, food microbiology, food products technology, food engineering. Next is XLR, botany syllabus. In this, plant systematics, plant anatomy, morphogenesis and development, genetics, physiology and biochemistry, plant breeding and genetic modification, economic, botany, plant pathology, ecology and environment. Next is Excel S, that is microbiology syllabus. Historical perspective, methods in microbiology, microbial taxonomy and diversity, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, cell structure and function, microbial growth, control of microorganisms, microbial metabolism, microbial diseases and host pathogen interaction, chemotherapy and antibiotics, microbial genetics, microbial ecology. Next is XLT, that is geology syllabus. In this, animal world, genetics, evolution, biochemistry and molecular biology, gene expression in eukaryotes, animal anatomy and physiology, parasitology and immunology, development biology, ecology, and last is animal behavior. Sorry. Thank you, students. That's all about GATE examination.